Hi, come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to make the UK double crochet, which is the single crochet in US terms. I've just made a small swatch of chain stitch so that you can see how to do this. Now, if you're not sure how to make slip knot and chain stitch, I do have a tutorial for this that I will link here. With the small swatch, we will start in our second chain from the hook. Now, when you are looking at your chain stitches, you don't include the one on your hook here, and you can count back these little V's to get to where you want to go. So we're not going to work into that first one there, we're going to work into the second one right here. To make a UK double crochet, US single crochet, you simply put your hook through that chain stitch right there. You put your wool over your hook here at the back and you pull it through that loop, giving you 2 loops on your hook. You put the wool around your hook and you pull through both loops, and that is your UK double crochet, US single. Do that again. So you're looking at your chain stitch right there. You put your hook through it, put your wool over your hook, pulling it back through that chain stitch to give you your 2 chains on your hook, the wool around your hook, and pull through both, giving you another double crochet. We'll do that again. Pull it round, put it through, pull around and pull through both. Work your way across, and I will meet you at the end to show you what you do with your next row. Now, if you want to pause the video, you can also come back and check out how to make these and take your time as you go along your chain stitches, and I'll meet you when you've finished your swatch. I have come to my last one. I'm going to put one more in there, two loops, and pull through both. Now, to turn our work, we will do a single chain like that, and then turn our work. Now, when we're working for the second row, if you look on the top, you can see again that you have these little, let me get my needle so that I can show you, these little almost V stitches here. You can just see them quite clearly there. And those are your stitches. You have a front loop here and a back loop here. And when you're working, you will go under both of that loops in that V stitch to make your next stitch. So we will put our hook under, you see from the side, just right there, going under both of those loops. We will hook our yarn at the back, pull it through to give us our 2 stitches on our hook, put the wool over and pull through both. And again, going through, you can see from the side there, put your hook through, and if you're looking at the top, you can see it's gone underneath both of those loops in our stitch. Put the wool around, pull it back through, you've got your 2, and pull through both. And that is how you do a UK double crochet, or the equivalent, which is a US single crochet. Always keep a watch on how many stitches you've got, checking that you've got the right number so that it's not got smaller or larger as you go along. Keep practicing this stitch. When you're ready, come and have a look at my next video, which will be how to do the UK treble crochet, which is the equivalent to the US double crochet. I will link it here on the channel for you to come straight to. Thank you so much for joining me and keeping me company, and I will see you in the next one.